All right. We're going to go this way towards you? Okay. All right. Who has come to the Brownie Woods? I have. He has. All right. You're supposed to say we have. Say we have. Why have you come? To be brownies. And who comes first? Let's start over here. Emma? All right. Emma. All right. Now, go across the bridge. This way.
From Daisy to Brownie.
Brownie to Daisy.
Daisy to Brownie.
All right. Now,
This is what you're supposed to say.
Kiss me and turn me and show me the L.
Keep going. 3 times.
you got to do it 3 times. I looked in the water.
And I saw myself.
And you saw?
Saw.
Myself.
What do you say?
Me.
Put the arm upside down.
Here.
Yeah.
I just put on my clothes. They can
Okay. And when you put it on, you're going to put it on pin. You're pinning this upside down, and when you have done 3 good deeds, your mother or your father will turn it right side up for you.
On your bed.
Because there's 3.
On your bed that wakes
Emma,
up.
pay attention.
We'll let the boys do it afterwards. Okay? Congratulations. Welcome to Brownies.
Yay!
All right. Molly. Wait. Slow down. All right. Molly, you may cross the bridge. Ready? All right. Say, twist me and turn me and show me the elf.
1, 2.
I have looked in the water
I have looked in the water.
and I saw.
I saw myself.
Good job.
Good job. Ready? I hope I don't stab you, right? Miss Jamie's pinning this upside down, and when you have done 3 good deeds, your mother or your father can turn it right side up for you.
Teresa, can you move that? Well, how heavy is the bridge? I was
Okay.
just saying,
You
because
get to
people
turn
are
it to your...
going to walk behind you and I won't get their head in the picture.
We're just doing it this way.
You're gonna get
There it is.
All right. Well,